Across northern Minnesota lies Lake Verdon, a small, quiet lake surrounded by pine forests and used mostly by campers and fishermen. For decades, it was completely ordinary, until the humming began. The first recorded report came in 1984, when a group of campers claimed they heard a deep, vibrating sound coming from the water at exactly midnight. Not wind, not motors, not wildlife. A continuous, low-frequency hum, described as metallic, mechanical, and too perfect to be natural. At first, locals brushed it off. Sound carries strangely over water. Temperature shifts create odd echoes. But then it happened again, and again, and again. Always at midnight, never earlier, never later. By 1992, the state's geological team arrived to study the phenomenon. They used underwater microphones, seismographs, and magnetic sensors. What they found surprised them. Beneath the lake, around 40 meters down, the sensors picked up a pulse, a repeating rhythmic vibration. Not random, not geological. A pattern. One pulse every 7 seconds, perfectly timed, as if something under the lake was sending a signal. When divers were sent to investigate, visibility was extremely low. The lake bed was covered in thick silt, and the deeper they went, the stronger the vibration became, to the point that their equipment began to malfunction. Cameras shut off, compasses spun, lights flickered. One diver, Mark Elliott, reported feeling the hum inside his chest, like a subwoofer shaking from beneath the water. The hum stopped abruptly during their dive, leaving complete silence. The divers surfaced immediately. Then the strangest detail emerged. Back at the lab, when researchers reviewed the synchronized instruments, every device, the microphones, the seismograph, the magnetic detectors, recorded the exact same anomaly. A spike in frequency, strong, short, and precisely at 12 a.m. down to the second, almost like a transmission being turned off. Locals believe the lake hides something beneath the silt, older than the town, older than the dam, older than the records. Some say it's geological. Some say it's mechanical. Some say it's neither. Because to this day, Lake Verdon still hums. Still at midnight. Still at 7-second intervals. And no one knows what's making the sound or why it stopped.